In today's video, we'll be making vegan peanut butter cookies. These vegan peanut butter cookies are out of this world, deliciously crunchy and bursting with peanut butter flavor. Quick and simple to make with common ingredients. Hey guys, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and run your own successful business. If you are new to our channel, make sure that you are subscribed and have clicked the bell icon to stay updated with our recipes. So let's start with the recipe by creaming cookie shortening and both the sugar together until it's pale and fluffy. Here I am using vegetable shortening as it's completely vegan. Instead of shortening, you can also use vegan butter. In this, we'll add creamy peanut butter and vanilla essence. You can also use crunchy peanut butter if you like the crunchiness of it. Next, we'll sieve in all the dry ingredients that are all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt, and give it a final mix. Now we'll make cookie balls weighing 20 grams each. If the dough is too sticky to handle, you can simply keep it in the fridge for a few minutes and then start working with it again. Now we'll keep it in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Our cookies are out of the freezer. Now we'll bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Our cookies are out of the oven and has cooled down properly. Now to decorate it, we'll half dip these cookies in melted vegan chocolate and sprinkle some roasted peanuts on top. Here you go. Our vegan peanut butter cookies are ready to be served. Hope you guys like this recipe. And do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new recipe.